Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the Freego FB-20X Step-Thru fat tire electric bike. I'm going to unbox it, assemble it, and take it for a ride. There's no manual, so I will be the manual. I thought this was the manual, but it's really not the manual. I'm gonna start with the handlebars. I'm not too concerned about them being perfectly even yet or centered. I can always adjust that later. Right now I just want them on. Usually this part's already done, but I'm guessing they didn't want this damaged in shipping. And even though they provided tools, I like my tools better. Now that you've seen I'm an expert at screwing things in, I can also unscrew things, because I have skills. I'm not gonna fully unscrew these nuts. Just enough so I can get the wheel on to the fork. Now I can just lift this up and stick the wheel in. The handlebars are not even. That's okay. That's an easy fix. I just gotta loosen up these screws and move the handlebars. I'm gonna mount the fender and the light at the same time. Fender attaches here. I'm just gonna do this off camera instead of boring you guys to death. I'm gonna do the back basket next. I got a dilemma. I don't know if I should do a back seat or a basket. I guess you'll have to find out which one I picked when I take this thing for a ride. But I kind of think I want the basket on the front. Ooh. Oh yeah. I should probably hook up the light. Okay, seat next. And finally the pedals. So one spins in there counterclockwise and the other one spins in clockwise. I have it on pedal assist too. Look at that. It's not moving. So I thought, okay, maybe I need to pedal it a little bit to get the throttle going. But no, it's not kicking in. This e-bike has a child safety feature. So the motor, whether it's pedal assist or throttle, will not work unless you first hit the brakes and then use the throttle or pedal. Down here, this is for pedal assist or throttle. The higher the bars, the faster the speed, battery life. But this right here, this is for different modes. So right now I have it on the fastest mode. If I double click M, that'll put me on Eco. So on Eco, the max speed is not very much. It's like 5 or 6 miles an hour. If I double click again, it'll go much faster. So this is standard mode, 19.5. And if I double click again, it'll go about 30. I was coming up to a stop sign, so I may not have hit 30 right there, but I definitely got it up to 30. And I've seen a video on this bike going even 36 miles an hour, which they're not supposed to. So mine only goes to 30. But the EU version, there's speed limit caps. There are in the US too, so do check with your local laws to see what that is. In my state, it's 28 miles an hour. So I'm a little bit over, but how often am I really gonna go that fast? Probably vary. The range on this is 37 to 62 miles. So that really depends how you're using the bike, whether you're just holding down the throttle like I am right now, or using pedal assist, and which pedal assist. The higher the pedal assist, obviously the more battery you're gonna use up. Pedal assist 1, throttle only. .6 miles an hour. Pedal assist 2, 9 miles an hour. Pedal assist 3, 12.5 miles an hour. Pedal assist 4, 14.4, and pedal assist 5. Now with pedaling, let's see if I'm gonna get any assistance from the motor. Definitely feeling it on the third one. It was a little bit easier in the second one, but on the third one, I really felt it kick in. Fourth one, much easier to pedal. I don't feel like I don't need to pedal. I still feel like I need to pedal. And 5, pedaling just feels kind of pointless at this point. What's nice about the throttle and the pedal assist, it's really smooth. Like, it's not a super jerky bike. I'm just steering this one-handed, and I feel pretty confident. I don't feel like I'm gonna tip over. But those big fat tires have a lot to do with that too. I'm approaching my favorite hill. I'm gonna try pedaling up this hill. There we go. Motor just kicked in. And now it's a breeze. But obviously, it's even easier to go up a hill if you just use the throttle. The motor is located on the back wheel, and it is 500 watts. The battery actually comes in 2 different options. There's a 15 ampere hour and 25. I got the 25. And with regular use, a full charge lasts for days, but it really depends how many miles you go in a day. For me, it's about 8 to 12. It only has a single gear, so there's no gears to shift, but I find with e-bikes, I'm not really shifting gears around with the ones that have gear shifting anyways. I usually just have it on the hardest setting and then I just leave it there. The seat is really comfy. I cannot vouch for the back seat, but the front seat is wide and comfy, and I feel like it's a really sturdy ride. Both the front and rear brakes are disc brakes. It's got lights on the rear and on the front. In some states, those lights are actually required, like in mine. If a little person appears, that's the walk assist mode. The most that it can carry is 264.5 pounds. That does include everything, your cargo and if you have a second passenger. And it's designed for people 5'3" all the way to 6'4". I'm 5'8" for reference. Okie dokie, if you're interested in the Freego FB-20X Step-Thru fat tire electric bike, I will have a link down below in the video's description. Prepare yourself for something incredibly cheesy. My outro. Toodaloo-dee-loo. Bye guys.